Hello and welcome to a new video by Quotes Advisor. Today we are going to talk about loans for the self-employed, their features and requirements. We also describe several options for you to analyze and choose among. Before we start, please like our video and subscribe to our channel to get more information and new video alerts. Shall we start? What is a loan for the self-employed? A loan for the self-employed is a type of credit that is granted to entrepreneurs who need funds to promote their business. The most frequent reasons an individual generally applies for this type of loan are to start their own business, to purchase the assets necessary to work autonomously, to support the growth of their business. Where can I apply for one? There's a great array of entities in South Africa that provide loans for the self-employed. A few options are banks, online lenders, DSBD Department of Small Business Development, and business credit cards. For those who are not eligible to obtain one of these loans, an alternative may be to apply for a personal loan as they involve fewer requirements. How to get a loan if I'm self-employed? When applying for a loan, people who are self-employed must normally go through a process similar to the application of an established business. This is why we say that this type of loan is slightly more difficult to get. Among the requirements involved, we can name a business start date, proof of monthly or yearly income, credit status, personal documents, a business plan, tax return, and bank statements. These are the minimum things financial entities require when a self-employed individual applies for a loan. They basically need to ensure that you have enough income to repay that loan. Recommendations. Now we'd like to offer some tips and advice for you to have better chances of getting a loan approved if you are self-employed. First, make sure to separate your personal expenses from your business expenses. This way, the lending entity will clearly identify the business-related money flow. Also, keep your finances up to date, as banks will want to see how you moved your money prior to the loan application. They'll check whether you have the income or savings necessary to cover your monthly payments. Make sure you have a good credit score. Save. This will help lighten the burden of interest rates and monthly payments. Besides, the bank will be happy to see you have funds for your payments. Understand the type of loan you are requesting. A home loan is very different from a personal loan or a loan for the self-employed. They have very different requirements. Being informed will make the application process easier. Be patient. As mentioned, the application process is usually a little slower when you are self-employed, as financial entities perform a more thorough evaluation. As we know, banks and other lenders will grant a loan more easily to individuals representing a lower financial risk, such as permanent employees with a regular income. Nonetheless, this type of loan is not impossible to obtain, quite the opposite. Just make sure to meet the requirements we've listed and to follow the tips above before submitting your application. In this video, we've talked about loans for the self-employed, their characteristics, and some recommendations for the application process. Keep these tips in mind. They will help you get the loan you need and make the process smoother. If you've enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more loan options in South Africa. We hope this video has been useful. Thank you and see you next time.